everybody and welcome to my second video. And today I'm actually gonna build my straw. My mom actually bought this like a few weeks ago and I forgot to play with it. So today you're gonna see me play with it and probably wanna buy it yourself. I don't actually know if you wanna. And if you wanna see this, click that like button below is what they'd say. Or as I usually say, lick it. So it's right over here. So I read the first instruction. This is actually my second my second try because the first one the phone shut down. So on this in this part it says wash straws and connectors before each use. So I already washed them. As you can see, the table's wet and this is wet. Uh, Now, second is slide straws into the connectors. Design your own shape. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I actually got Coke, Sprite, Royal, Mountain Dew, and Chocolate, so I can try it out with all of you. Well, probably you're not gonna try it, just me. So these are the big ones, aka the yellow ones, red ones, aka the small ones. The purple ones are the U connectors, and the green ones are just little random connectors. So, you're probably gonna see me, if this is a time lapse, probably, but I don't know if I'm gonna make this a time lapse. So, I'll just build it my own. So, red one, I think it goes here. How do you do this? Oh, there you go. So, that's first straw. How do I actually want to drink in it? Ooh, maybe I'm probably gonna use this. Yeah, this. Uh, yeah, I'm just gonna use a big straw here. Connect it with the small straws. These green ones are pretty useful more than the purple, even though I love the purples. Red ones connect here. Should I use? Yeah. Okay, I'll put this one here so I can drink on multiple straws. Wait. Is there ooh, there actually is. Nice. It's not gonna look even, but as long as I can drink in 3 straws like this kid is, I'm alright. Okay, next one is this red one. It's actually kind of looking nice. This is gonna go down. Oh, the big one fell. I'll fix that. Okay. Oh, it's probably like this. Oh, there's something written here. It's made in China. It's probably gonna get destroyed easily. Ha, I'm just kidding. Okay. I'm probably not gonna drink in 3 straws. How does this guy do it? Of course, he has multiple connectors. And sorry, I'm coughing. I'll put this one right here. Also, oh, that was close. Right here. So that will make me drink in 2 separate drinks. Wait. Actually, I think I can drink in 3 straws. If I actually... No, I can't. Okay, so this will fit in these ones. So it's like drinking there. Oh, okay. Yeah, place it here. Unless you guys can't see it. It looks pretty good right now. What does this U thing do? Does it... Wait. I don't know what it does. Okay. Okay. This is hard to decide on. This is actually pretty cool. Oh, I'll place it here. So I'll try to drink on multiple straws. Or, wait, like this? No, that will just lead it to the same place. Unless, wrong thing. Ah, here, right over here. Then, place it here. This is hard. So I'll probably just make another one. But I don't know what this thing does. I'll actually make a different straw after this. Oh no, wait, I'll just make another straw right now. What this one drinks out of two cups. This one I'm gonna make is gonna drink out of one cup but separate straws. If that ever makes sense to you, viewers, I doubt people are gonna watch this. This looks like a wrench. So, yeah. Sorry, my mom was gonna interrupt. But, here. Ah. Cutting that part out. And then this red straw right here. There. Now I'm actually using the purple. Purple as well. Yeah, I'll actually use the red one. There. Hey, we're out of red ones. Oh no. I'm out. Wait. Would this work? Okay, I'll probably use this one later. I'll take this out. But, I can't drink out of the same straw. Wait, what if I use this instead of this? There. And there. Okay. I'm still actually out of pieces. How do I make it so I drink out of one straw and one drink on two straws? I'll figure that one out later. So, first straw, pretty successful. I mean, it looks like a bunch of legs and a torso. Second straw, a little bit successful. I guess you can say that. I mean, I'm running out of straws. I'll fix this one later. I don't know if you heard that. I'll put this here because I'm gonna use it. I'll put the parts here right now and the yellow parts here. So, first glass, I'm gonna put. Ooh, that was pretty loud. Hear that? Yeah. I'll put a little bit amount of coke just so the fizz will settle. I don't know if you don't know that, because if you do, if you don't, well, new life hack. The more you know. So I'll put only a little bit so I don't run out of Coke. Plus, this is a little Coke. This is only a little amount of Coke. Let's put in some Sprite. Oh, don't worry. I'm gonna do the Coke and Mentos challenge in a few days. Don't worry if you're thinking that he's pretty dumb and he's not making the Coke and Mentos challenge. But I am in a few days. So look out for that if you're actually ever watching this. Royal. Fun fact, it's Royal is actually one of my favorite sodas. Just because of the taste. And then what everybody wants, Mountain Dew. If you read Mountain Dew Chronicles, you'll love this. Just kidding, I actually haven't read it yet. This is already settled because this is already settled. I don't know if you can see these. I should have went with that one. Okay. I don't know if you can see, but here, Mountain Dew. Can you still see? Making sure it won't fall, but you guys can see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can see now. And then, I actually like milk. So, I'd actually do myself a favor, pouring in some chocolate milk. Now, let's try it. Now, first is Sprite and Coke. And I'll probably not mix this with milk or chocolate milk with a lot of things because my mom said it can actually hurt. Oh, by the way, if you haven't seen yet, disclaimer in the bottom. Let's see how this tastes. A pretty weird taste, but pretty yummy at the same time. It's like Sprite mixing with Coke. That's what I can say. All I can say is, I guess that will approve for now. But the straw doesn't. I don't know if I washed it wrong or something. Okay, Royal and Sprite next. Let's see. It's not bad or like anything, but I just don't like the taste. Maybe you would, maybe you won't. It's not horrible or anything, it's just, I don't know, very weird and not a very good way. Mountain Dew and Royal. The perfect combination. Let's see if it actually works. I don't know if it's the Mountain Dew itself or Mountain Dew with Royal. Tastes like dog poop or dog turd. Oh man, the Royal's mixing a little bit with the Mountain Dew. And I'm not mixing it with this. I'm gonna drink milk later with my solo mono drink here. Now let's see it with different tastes. Oh, by the way, keep that annotation open. I'll probably put correct if it's yummy or not. you can actually feel a little bit in your stomach, but overall pretty yummy, I guess. There you go. Mountain Dew and Coke. Let's see if the perfect combination. Yep, we found the winner for the loser. Mountain Dew and Coke. Ew. Yeah. Uh, the I love how it became from like straws to like just me drinking and tasting mixtures. I should probably just call it build your own straw and mixtures. I don't know if I'll actually call it that, but now that I'm done, I'll put this back and I'll drink it later with my mono straw. Excuse me. Okay, let's see. If this is 10 minutes long, uh, blame me if, don't blame yourself if it actually has, uh, if it has, advertisements. I'm not blaming you if it has advertisements. Okay, looks pretty weird, but same thing at the first, like the first time. It smells pretty well. Ugh. There we go. Ooh, let's see this. Oh, that's good. And then milk. Ooh, that looks weird. Okay. Oh, imagine if that happened when I was drinking. Imagine, just imagine. Okay, Sprite. Let's see. I want to pour more, a little bit more on the first try. Coke. Yes, look out for my next couple on the next couple videos, my Coke and Mentos challenge. Yeah, you'll see me outside right there playing on the swing, fearing for my life, seeing the Coke monster, or just explosive Coke. We Fun fact, we got this from the cinema. Ugh. And I'll probably not need to add the milk because it hasn't been it 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 didn't get drunk, like it hasn't been drunk yet, so okay, fits. Ah, Coke and Mountain Dew still yucky. Royal fits. Okay, it fits. So let's try this first. Oh my gosh, quickest idea ever. How about if I actually don't do this, but instead I drink from 2 straws? I think you guys will love that idea. I mean, it's kind of smart. Like, I felt like there was something missing. Well, I mean, I was gonna use this. Last 3 big straws. The yellow straws, the big ones. Does this look weird? I don't know. Let's see. Accident. Mm. It's like you're drinking two times. Right, let's see. Mm. Two times the flavor actually. It's a little sweet. I love it. I don't know why I keep drinking from there, just so it doesn't mix with the horrid flavors of the horrid kingdom. I think the Coke became a little too thick because look at all these bubbles. If you can see it, I'll just explain it in a few words. Like it was too thick, and that it came it it came up pretty slower than the rest. Oh, that's cool. Excuse me. Oh, I got one. Mountain Dew. I'll probably drink this all. Let's see. It's definitely not the Mountain Dew itself because it tastes yummy itself. And now for the milk. But first, I'll make it settle. Okay, I'm back. I don't know if you saw that cut or something, but I don't know. I'll just drink all of these flavors, so that it doesn't Wait, now it interfered. I'll just drink it now. Love this, love this toy. I guess you can say it's a toy. Three, two. Wait, let me smell it first. I'm a little afraid. And now I'm not. Oh wait, I get the wrong thing. Ah, three, two, one, go. Hmm. It tastes pretty good actually. Like, if you're like an adult watching this and like see your kid or something not like drinking your milk, well I do drink my milk. This is actually a good way to actually make them drink because it like uh drinks more and makes the flavor a little bit more than it was, unless it's just the chocolate milk and the table sweat, but it's pretty yummy. I'll place these back later. I love how I forgot to put the last one there. To say the last step. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing I already said. But anyway, guys, if you're watching whatever the YouTube people say, what the YouTube people say, I love how I call them YouTube people. Uh, say, uh, leave a like, uh, leave a like below, and let's try and hit nothing. Uh, and well, I don't call it leave a like. I just call it click the like button. And if you're new to this channel, well, I mean, why would you be new? I mean, this. Oh God, I messed up very bad on that one. I don't know, but if you want, just subscribe so you can see the new videos every day. It's mainly probably every night for you because I'm from the Philippines, and if you're somewhere else, it's probably the night or something. But anyway, I know. See you later and goodbye.